Travel Card Album Guide. Easiest way to complete it fast. In this video, we'll look at the easiest way to complete the travel card album fast.
So to get started, the travel card album requires you to collect specific items by completing certain tasks. The key to finishing it quickly is to plan ahead and focus on completing tasks that reward you with the cards needed for the album. First, prioritize missions and events that give travel cards as rewards. These are your quickest route to collecting the cards you need. You'll also find cards by completing various in-game activities like deliveries, visits, and quests. Next, pay attention to the requirements for each travel card. Some are easier to collect than others, so focus on those first to make progress faster. The easiest way to fill your album is by checking which cards are required and targeting the necessary activities. Don't forget to check the market for travel cards that can be bought or traded, as this is another way to speed up the process. And that is the easiest way to complete your travel card album.